Hey there, it's Brittany. I'm back with an unboxing video. I actually have two orders that are very similar. They're both lampwork glass, so I thought I'd share them with you. The first one is just 5 strands, but the second one's like a large lot. It says 40 strands in sets. So I thought I'd share them with you. I will probably be making, I'm having another sale, hopefully in January, but if not, February, where I'll be actually offering kits as well as just beads, so like beads by themselves. So some of these might show up in kits on my bead group. If you're interested in beads or anything bead like, join my bead group. I also do memes and other things throughout the day. So this one's pretty cool. It looks like eyes. Really nice. I love lampwork glass. I wish I could do lampwork glass. I'm a little scared of like the heat factor there, and my first love is ceramic, so but I haven't tried glass before. Maybe one day in the future when life settles down, if that ever happens. So I like this blue strand. Here's another similar strand, just different blue with like a cream and white and black. These actually look a lot better in the pictures when I bought the lot. But they're really cute. This one's cute. I really like those swirls. Very nice. This one's obviously yellow and blue and white. I really like these. They're so nice. Somebody has to do each individual dot. It's just so crazy. It's so crazy. I watch some of these videos of people making lampwork glass. I'm like awed. People who do lampwork are amazing. And then I love these. This is my favorite, followed quickly by this one. So I just love yellow and blue together. All right, so there's that 5 strand order. And then this one's much larger. And honestly, guys, these have been sitting in my my studio for a couple weeks, at least. Probably maybe 3 weeks. I just haven't had time. I think some of you have seen my videos where I was just like, guys, I'm burnt out. So I'm trying to get to them. I have one other order that's in here just a little bit longer, and that was from Chelsea's Bead. So that one's huge. That's coming next. So this is a really, really big order. I'm just going to unpack it as I can. And because it's glass, they did a really good job bubble wrapping it, but it's going to take a long time for us to get through it. So a glass donut. The good thing about this is I don't really remember what the heck's in here because I ordered it so long ago. So this is really pretty. I love like that gold glitter in there. And oh, on the back it's blue, so you can, you know, change your necklace around if you wanted to, or your bracelet. Very neat. I love that they took the time to wrap everything. That takes a while. Believe me, I know. I just did a sale and it was the wrapping killed me. Oh, that's pretty. Like just a little pendant. Very pretty. Sorry, my hands are so dry from the desert here. Just a little drop. Oh, that's pretty. I love that dichroic like look on the inside from the foil. That's really pretty. Nice. That would make a nice beach necklace. I'm seeing some brown. Some of these are going to be filler beads and some of these are going to be focal beads. I'm showing that these are definitely the filler beads. These need to be washed off too. They're a little dusty. Same but in like pale blue. Pink and yellow. I actually had another lampwork. Oh, I think I just cut one of the strands. Haul right before I moved, but I didn't have time to show you guys, so maybe one day. Somewhere it's still packed. I haven't run across it yet. These are really cool. I love how vibrant those are. Ooh, look at the flowers on here. These are neat. I love blue and orange together. And that's a pink. That's an interesting color combo. Blue, orange, and pale pink. Huh. That's really neat. Look at that. That's neat. I can see this being really nice for bead weavers, like weaving around these bases. But I'm not a bead weaver, but I will be doing something nice with these eventually. Or they'll be in kits. I might include some of these in the sale. Very nice. Okay, this one. Oh, this looks like St. Patty's Day almost. The look of the Irish. I love that. It's like 4-leaf clovers. And we've got this blue and green dot with white. Love those. Those are so cute. These would look really nice with gemstones. A lot of these would look really nice with gemstones, actually. Let's see. Oh, what's this? This is a big heart. It's beautiful. Almost looks like a skeleton heart, doesn't it? That is neat. That's gonna go in my display case. Not my display case, but like my display bookcase. Well, I guess it is a display case. It's late, guys. I'm tired. But this is really pretty. I love it. Wow, this is a big one too. Two big ones. Oh, wow. These are nice. Oh, these are hefty. Oh my gosh. These are beautiful. Sometimes you can't tell in the pictures, like, I scratched my nail. They don't look this big or they don't look this sparkly. Obviously to me, but maybe not to you guys. This one's my favorite. Look at that. It looks like glitter and plant. Like, it looks like a really spicy planet. Crack myself up. This is a spicy planet. Okay, it looks like galactic to me. I just checked my watch to see what time it is. It's 10:41. It's really late if I'm talking about spicy planets. Oh my goodness, guys. This girl's probably drunk, but I'm not. I swear I'm not. Okay, and then we have another pendant. This is really pretty. Wow, these are gorgeous. Like, one day when I'm retired, hopefully it's not, like, I'm not too young. I'm not a spring chicken, but I'm not old enough to retire. One day when I retire, I'm gonna like have all these nice beads and then I'll be able to use them all. But I hopefully can retire sooner than later. These are really nice. I just love them. Maybe I will start doing some glass down the road. Okay, so I have two big sets left. Oh, and another pendant. Okay, here's the pendant. Oh, that's gorgeous. That's so pretty. And it's so funny. I don't think maybe 10 years ago I would have appreciated how pretty this is. I would have just been like, that's okay. But I actually, like, somebody took the time to make this. It's really pretty. I really like it. I think it's gorgeous. Love handcrafted stuff. Oh, we've got some beauties in this one. Okay, so black and pink, black and purple, black and pink, black and purple. It just makes it look a little pink. It's a little dusty, but that's okay. That happens with lampwork glass, so they'll just wash them off. Very pretty. Loving the green and pink. Loving the florals. Oh, more green and pink, but in a square set. Oh, sorry. Got stuck. Oh, well, I could have just bought this set, not the 5-piece set, because here we have these guys again. Oh, I love these. I saw these in the picture and I really wanted them. They're so funky. They look like little UFOs to me. Got pink and periwinkle and yellowy. Yeah, these guys are going to need a nice rinse and then they'll be like stunning. Ooh, this is weird. It's blue, green, red, and white. It looks a little yellow on camera, but this is a very like lemon lime green. This is neat. A brown, blue, it's like a peachy brown, red, blue, and white. We've got some more cubes. There's no way I will ever use all of these beads, so I would like to put like 2 in a kit with some other beads, make nice earring pairs. And blue, oh, this is really pretty. I like that blue. All right, we have one more bag of beads. And these, oh mama, I'm glad I saved these to the end because I would have been disappointed if I opened these first and then went and, even though I loved all those other beads. Okay, so this is just another one of the flowers. It's almost Christmassy though because it's got some, it's like red brown. Oh wow, these are gorgeous. Okay. This haul was very different than the one I got in the summertime. The one I got in the summertime, I'm going to show you these beads, and I had a lot of these in there, and I really loved it. I just need to find the beads. I don't know where they are. Look at that. Well, these 2 on the end are a little different, but those are gorgeous. But look at those. Look at each one of those flowers, and they remind me of hydrangeas. I love hydrangeas. And they also remind me of hyacinth, and I love hyacinth too. Such a pretty bead strand. Laura, if you're watching, let me know what you think about these. It's my best friend who loves purple. Oh my gosh, all of these are so yummy. Okay, look at this. Wow, these 3 in the middle would make a beautiful piece. The black and white ones are awesome. These guys are big ones too. So we've got 2 big round and then 3 big lentil. Those are neat. Oh no! This strand was open, so I dropped a couple beads, but I love those swirls. I dropped 3 or 4 of them. These are on wire. Those are just phenomenal. Love those. Oh my goodness, look at these. Wow, I love those. So these remind me of planets too, like this one. Oh, these are like almost like candy, like a box of chocolates almost. These are neat. They're all, I don't know that they're all Murano glass, but I know some of them are. Oh, a Christmas strand. Love it. And I have my Christmas box out. I'm going to put that with my Christmas beads. This is so fun. I love that. Oh, another Christmas strand, a little one. So cute. Look at that one in the middle. Wow. These are all so fantastic. Look at this. These look like planets too. This looks like Jupiter. And this one looks like the storm on Jupiter. That is so neat. And then last but not least, we have this strand. Oh wow, look at this guy. These are neat. I think I don't have these, but I have something that's kind of similar. I don't have anything that looks like these. These look like that swirl that you can sometimes see on bone beads. Very cool. Oh my gosh, I definitely got my money's worth out of this this haul. I think my favorite things are this. My eyes, it like makes my eyes so happy. These 2. This one's a donut. Oh, this one's kind of a donut, but not really. These 2 are my favorite pendants. This strand. Oh, I really like this pendant too. I'm going to say these 4 strands were my favorite, and I'm glad I opened them last because I wouldn't have been disappointed, but we would have gotten the good stuff first. So these are my favorite 4. But let me know which ones you really liked. Thank you so much for watching. Please join my bead group because at some point you're going to see some of these stashed. It might not be next month. It might not be the month after, but at some point they will be. Not all of them, of course, but some of them. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And if you know anybody who likes beads, please share my videos and my group. And stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Have a good rest of your day. Bye-bye. Hi, cutie. hiding from mommy? Hi, Goldie. You're not even going to acknowledge your mother. Goldie. There she is. Hi. Bye.